Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting 1-3 flowers that read clearly in silhouette. This simplifies bokeh shapes. Once chosen, mount your camera or phone on a stable surface and dial the widest aperture available. This increases blur and separates the subject. Make sure to place the flowers 1-2 feet in front of a background with point light sources or reflective texture. Start with one light source behind the background and move it until you see small specular highlights form. That's where beautiful natural bokeh will originate. You now refine focus and the background light placement to shape the bokeh. First, slide your lights or reflective objects until bright points appear. Aim for 0. 2 cm highlights from your view. Smaller points yield rounder bokeh. Then switch to manual focus or tap to focus and lock on the flower's nearest petal so the blur falls behind it. Once done, tweak the subject to background distance. Increasing that gap softens the bokeh further. Also make small aperture or ISO adjustments to keep exposure balanced. You finish by balancing exposure and adding subtle texture. Lower shutter speed or raise ISO as needed, but protect highlights so points stay crisp. Once balanced, introduce a soft side light to reveal petal edges while maintaining background blur. This adds depth. If things go wrong, if the background shows too much detail or bokeh looks harsh, increase the subject to background distance by 10 to 30% or diffuse the lights that smooth specular points. Finally, review and repeat small adjustments until the natural flower bokeh feels organic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.